Okay, in order to find the equation in this problem, if they're asking us to find the equation of a line passing through these 2 points, there are different methods you can do to find it. In this case, we are going to use the method of technology. We are going to use the calculator to find the equation of the line, and we all have a similar calculator as this one, and the method would be called stat. We're going to use stat to find the equation of this line. So in order to do that, let's first remember that the first number in those points is x, then y, x, and y. So in order to use this calculator, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna go to this button right here. You can see it under the delete button. It's called stat. If we click on that, we're gonna get 5 options. We're gonna go to the very first one, which is edit. Edit is what we use to input points. So I'm gonna press enter, and I have many columns. I'm only gonna use the first two because the first L1 means X values, the L2 means the Y values. I'm going to go ahead and punch those numbers in. So I'm gonna put N1, and then you can see the one on the command line, and then I'm gonna press enter, and it's gonna type it on the top. I'm gonna use my arrows to go to the other side because now I'm going to type 4. So I'll press 4 and then enter again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the other point 3, -4. Now that I have my X values on L1, my Y values on L2, I'm gonna go ahead and click stat again, and I'm gonna go to calculate. If you see in the options on the top, the second option says calculate. I'm gonna click my arrow to go to the right, and I have several options. Eventually, in high school and college, you're gonna end up using all these functions. In Algebra 1, you're only gonna use item number 4 and item number 5 because we are talking about a line. We can see in the questions we are asking about a line. We are going to click number 4, which is line regression. So you're going to press 4, you're going to enter all the way down, and it's going to give you these options right here. It's going to give you um, a equals to -4 and b equals to 8. So basically, because you can see in the equation on the top, it gives you this the calculator will give you this, and it said that a was equal to -4 and b is equal to 8. You can simply substitute those values into a and b, and that would be your equation. In other words, you put 4 right there, you put b right there. So therefore my equation is y equals -4x plus 8. This is my equation using the option of stat. And having an equation is very, very powerful because now you can simply go to y equals and type your equation there. I'm going to go ahead and type -4x plus 8, and I can now graph it. And graphing an equation is very powerful because look, now you can see the line passing through. You can find the x-intercept if you want to, which in this case the x-intercept is a +2. You can see how the line looks. So it's very, very powerful knowing how to get an equation and doing it from a calculator. The number one thing is that it's accurate, and once you get to know it and know how to do it, it's very fast.